Amy, they've just removed a branch that was on the power line right over here off of Kendall Pond Road. You can see where that part of the tree came down. And Derryfield Road, this section off of Kendall Pond Road, is closed because of the low hanging wires. Just below that, you can see some of the debris from that tree, and now they have reopened Kendall Pond Road. Now the strong wind continued throughout the morning. In Derry, the winds bringing down the pine tree on Kendall Pond Road, knocking out power to the neighborhood. Now, one woman said around 9:20 her house. When she looked out the window, she could see that tree was down and that the branch on the power line was burning. Now, while the number of outages is increasing, the state says they're expecting the problems to continue and all the outages may not have been reported.
So we expect, winds all day long, all night. So when people come home and they don't have power, they're going to end up calling their utility company. So we may see a spike in outages go up after people get home.
As you take a live look here at Kendall Pond Road again, Harper says that when you do get home, if you don't have power, make sure you call the utility to report it so that they have your address. One thing the utility companies and the state are stressing is that if you do see a down line, assume that it is live, do not go near it, and also bear in mind, because of these strong wind gusts, if they are over 30 miles an hour, they can't put up the bucket trucks, so the restoration efforts may take a little longer than normal. Reporting live in Derry, Ray Brewer, WMUR News 9.